Hi, I'm Benjamin from Enermax, and we are here at CeBIT at the Enermax booth. And we got guests from the UK. Hexus is visiting us and wants us to tell something about our new power supplies that we present here. And actually, we are representing two brands. One brand is the Enermax brand. The second brand is the Leper brand. And both brands have two new flagship products. Let's start from Leper. Leper has a new high-end power supply, which will definitely find a lot of enthusiasts, especially people who are building mining machines will be enthusiastic about this power supply. It has 1,700 watt continuous power. This is the strongest ATX power supply on the market. It has platinum efficiency, 612 volt rates, so it has offers best possible security, safety, with a separated OCP protection on each rail. This power supply will be available soon already because we got a lot of orders from our partners, from Bitcoin mining, Litecoin mining companies, and we want to deliver it as soon as possible to the market. So it will be available at the end of April already. Yes, that's one news from Leper. And I'm going to show you now the biggest attraction at our Enermax site. That's a completely passive power supply. It's fanless, it's digital, it has 550 watts, it's called digisilence. And it is based on our Platimax platform. So it has platinum efficiency. The news about our power supply, which we showcased already on last year's CeBIT, is that we integrated a digital interface so that you can read out the values of the power supply. You can check the voltage, you can check the amps, you can check the temperature, you can check the efficiency and the power consumption of the power supply, so that you will always have the best monitoring of the performance of your power supply. You can also adjust some values, such as the voltage, as the power of each rail, so that you can adjust the power supply according to your system configuration. For a passive power supply, what is important? It's important that the power supply keeps cool, because it has no fan. Therefore, we have integrated thermal sensors, which can be read out by the software. So you will always have an overview about the temperature, and you can react. If the power supply will exceed certain limits, you will always get a warning. So if the power supply will exceed the OCP protection limit, then it will warn you that you have to lower down the load on each rail. Or if you exceed the temperature, then it will also give you a warning. So this is really a useful feature for your power supply and to check the performance. This unit is planned to launch in Q3. This is the first working sample that we present here. We are making a lot of tests until it will be ready for the market, so that you can be sure that you get a power supply which has the best performance on the market. It will cost its price. It will cost 200 euros, but for a passive power supply with a digital control, this is a fair price, I think. And I have forgotten the price of the Leper power supply. This one will cost around 300 euro. So these are the biggest news from Enermax and Leper at CeBIT.